Every intent of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. Every intent of the heart of man was evil continually. Started with a simple case of compromise. That's why we need to be very careful with the people whom we hang with. Yung mga bakada, mga sinasamahan natin, nothing wrong with being friendly with unbelievers, because if we isolate ourselves from unbelievers, there will be no way for us to share the gospel to them, to share the goodness of God to them. Nothing wrong. No? We should be friendly to them. Ang problema sa mga Christian, pagka na-Christian, kung nagyan na sa Christian, sila na lang. No. We need still to associate with them, but not join them in their works. So, sabi ingatan natin, yan naman ang uso ngayon yun ang fad ngayon Lahat naman nagde-date, lahat naman nag-holding